dictation 60 word per minute speed. Just for beginner. Dear sir, comma, the furniture about which you asked in your letter was done a week ago, comma, and it will give us great pleasure to have it sent to you at once if you will tell us where you wish it sent. Full stop. I do not think we can deliver it sooner than Monday because it is not possible to get it packed properly today. Full stop. We had a suitable packing case, comma, but it was used a few days ago and I have not been able to replace it since. Full stop. If you must have it tomorrow, I shall pack it as well as I can. But I do not like to let it go out without proper packing. Full stop. At any rate, please write us that you wish to have done with it, comma, and we shall have our shopping department. Full stop.